Yo, we work hard to reach somewhere in our life, and people we still try kill up. Them don't know why you reach so far, I just Christ, but them grudge you for your one little bickle. But I just a blessing. Holy Spirit start shine up on you, but I just a blessing. You pray so hard and judges start bless you. Me keep on mine out of me heart, give negativities out of my thoughts.
Sure, it is more than 2 or 3 of us, and I am keeping it small because I am humbled that somehow God came through for me. And I don't want to cry because it's my birthday, so I'm not going to talk now. But it has been a long road, and I'm just thankful to God for this day, that I can find somewhere else where I can have peace, and it will be all mine. I'm going to hand over to Pastor.
All right, we are really here to celebrate, so we're not going to have a long ceremony. We're just going to do a blessing. It's going to be twofold. We are going to participate in the ground breaking exercise, and we're going to do a blessing for that. And today, as she said, it's her birthday. She was very careful not to tell us what will be her age today.
53,
and then she's just 53 and has been behaving like said she's a big woman. Tells us as to why the foolish was referred to as foolish, because the foolish built his house upon the sand.
Holy Spirit start shine up on you, but I just a blessing. You pray so hard and judges start bless you. Some people in a life where them really want to kill you, them no want to see you make it, them just want to see you struggle. Persistence is the key. Yes, I could agree.
What an honor. What an honor. You of all persons, there are many of us who are here who have gone through difficult times, but you have touched freedom and you're back with us. What an honor to be celebrating 53 years. And I tell you, you're going to celebrate for another 53.
But them grudge you for your one little bickle, but I just a blessing. Holy Spirit start shine up on you, but I just a blessing. You pray so hard and judges start bless you. Me keep on mine out of me heart, give negativities out of my thoughts. Every day me wake up, me pray for your proper heart.
Good morning, team. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And we're back on site this morning again, guys. The clips that you guys saw, the montage, however I decided on editing it. It was from the same site, you know, that I've been showing you guys. It's a groundbreaking event, ceremony, or whatever you call it, but it was private and small, and of course the boy Ismash was invited, and you know, it was just it's momentous from now on for my mom's friend, you know. It's another momentous moment. But anyways, we're back inside, and we're at 10% when it comes down to excavation. We're at 10%. Yesterday was around 5%, today is 10%. And I don't know if I don't want to see the foundation, but if they can come around a little bit, but it's at 10% in terms of completion, in terms of, you know, a ratio. But anyways, I just that going on for today on site, just excavation up until like today's Friday, so up until like Monday, Tuesday if we rush them and haste them, you know, so we can cast up footing next week, sometime next week, you know. So yeah, that's a going for today on the vlog. For later, I might go over my mother's friend, you know, just to continue with the festivity, because it's a groundbreaking ceremony for her side, and it's also her birthday. you know, which is awesome. It's an awesome celebration, you know. Starting our new home. A home is going to be nice, guys. It's going to be nice. It's expected to conclude sometime in December, and already you guys see that it has commenced, you know. So yeah, Team Ismash, hope you guys are liking these vlogs. I am not sure if you guys are construction fans, but as I said, it have a vary. Me gonna want me at least try you know one. I can never please all you guys, but I'm gonna try please all I wanna cause all away one family. You don't know all away Ismash family, Team Ismash family. So you don't know. I'm gonna see where they take we. You don't know things it. Me just go and see what the guy here do for the rest of the evening, and then I dip out, and then as I said, I might go for my other friend, go see what I go on. So let's get it with the vlog. You heard that tuna. Jeez. Whoa. This car is not mine. This car is not mine. Whoa. Jeez. Must get a girl today. Joke me on me. Anyways, morning again, Team Ismash. It's a new day. Open that gate here. Oh boy, alright. It's a new day. Kind of have some things on the schedule for today. We're go one company I come make we change out one window down by our site in Trelawney. So I go down there now to ensure so that is done and it is done properly. And then later tonight I'm hoping to go to this car show. I'm not sure. Them always can all over the place when it comes to hosting this event. And so let's go. We're going to chill on in early morning. Let's get it, Team Ismash. Anyways, that was just an update on how the car stay with our new tint. And so far, really like it so far. It kind of calm down the energy in that car, you know, kind of simmer the energy. I like it. I never wanted to tint at first because I always believe that some gunman normally tint at the car, and like it just always look away if it like somebody passing or like some limousine tint car. Like it just look like some gunman in there, brother. I never want to be that. I never hide for nobody. I'm still not hide for nobody, but kind of understand why you guys tint your guys' car. But I not really want a privacy in my life. Then we tint up one thing. I hide for nobody. So I say. So let's get it, Team Ismash. How you guys doing today? Let's get it. We're gonna chill on.
Scott and my brother was handing.
Mr. Stopping for Waterbury River. Let's see what I'm going to do before I go up outside. See, got a rafting take place. So up there, so they have the Waterbury rafting across the bridge. See, really hard man thing, brother. So the main reason why I stopped down here is because I have another hour wait on the guys to fix the window. So I just say, alright, this makes sense. But just come down a Malta-Bay River, come all a vibe. Down. Body down here, and me alone down here. And just a vibe, you know. All the youths them, family them, everybody there. Apparently they might play one game, but to be honest, I don't have a clue what it could be or what it is. So I just watch and see what go on. So it look like one man in a water, one man in a ring. Rotted. I try to figure this out. Oh yes, we have one man in a ring and a little youth there. He's supposed to catch. If he touch somebody, probably like them is it. A bomb. One man, another one jumping. Another one jumping. Apparently they're not to make a youth, but in a ring, which is this youth, touch them. Unless they might, or else they might go be it. Alright, let's go Team Ismash. I don't understand the game, man. I don't have enough time to stick around to understand. Let's go! Yeah! Big man. So we're going to vlog. I pray Team Ismash. So yeah guys, we're back on site. And this is the unit that we're going to change the windows in. Just a window. A single window around in the living area. The crack, we don't know who cracked it or when it cracked. But the manufacturers or the suppliers say alright, I have no problem with changing it, so we'll just change it to the end. Because the customer has been, you know, beckoning onto us. Say, yo brother, please try to change your window, so I deal with it to them reaching the behind me. So yeah, we're going to go see what I'm going to actually reach before. I made a wait for them, they never call me and tell me so they reach, so we're there. Knock. Over. So guys, then take out the window, they might change it. So I'm going to show you what exactly caused them to change the window. But in the meantime, I'm going to look who else needed their assistance, you know, so far. Like guys says, it ended up being two things now for do. They have our bathroom window mesh to be installed over here, so I'm going to go for them right now. Go tell them, and I'll go for them, you know, but inform them what I'm going. Alright, after that, I can go home. So, finish with the first house. Now we're moving to house number 2. We just have a bathroom window machine installed, so I know we're supposed to go. Let's get it. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Knock, 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 knock. Yeah, you guys, them a come. It mesh up here still, right? Yes. Alright, them a come. Of course, on the gas station, brother. So camera never fail for camera, so never. So yeah, Team Ismash, this vlog has come to an end, you guys. I know I say I'm gonna go a car show later, but actually I will go a car show later, but it's not gonna be shown in this vlog. My next vlog, so I'm supposed to stay tuned for it. I'm gonna go a car show and show you what's going down there. So, but for now, I'm gonna close this vlog and sign out. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. As I say, I'm on a roll, and when you subscribe, And if you had subscribed, or if you're going to subscribe, it's worth it. It is worth it. Anyhow, with Andrew Wellness. Give me a second. This Zozo thing are going on in St. James. I don't know nothing about it. I need on to be more transparent with our rights within this Zozo thing. Otherwise than that, I'm alright. Anyways, Team Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog. I appreciate every single one of them. Every time when I like, every time when I subscribe, like it means so much to me. And try not to even know. Team Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog, you guys. I appreciate it. You know, when I make my heart cry sometimes when I send me a certain message, it just give me hope, you know, a real hope. Anyways, Team Ismash, as I say, thanks for watching this vlog. Stay tuned to my next vlog. We out.